So today we're at the farmer's market again. We're gonna try and give this another shot, see how bratty our kids become.
Daddy, they have ice cream.
Yeah, I'm talking about you. Grayson's getting hot and fussy. This is what Trish came for, the lumpias. You can't really find Filipino lumpias in too many places, so we get them here. Bradley, you want lumpias? You want lumpias? This is the moment Mama's been waiting for since the last farmer's market.
She couldn't eat it.
The lumpias. The
I
lumpias.
can't open it.
And Bradley's a weakling. She can't open a can of pop.
I know how, but this one's just super tight.
You hungry, dude?
No, it's too.
You hungry, bro? Now we're spending a couple hours at the nature center. I haven't been here since I was a kid.
Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't.
Miles, what are we gonna do?
Scavenger hunt.
Scavenger hunt.
In the summer scavenger hunt, you can find things like a snake or some samaras are a type of flower, it looks like. A wild turkey. So here's this. This is for you. If you see any of the things on here, you get to check it off. Here.
Okay. Thank you.
Here you go. Bubba, if that gets too hard, I have another one that you can do too, okay?
Alright, should we go start looking? Oh, it's a golden eagle.
Yeah, golden eagle.
Daddy, did you check it off?
I did.
Feathers on the ground. Right here. There's feathers too. There's feathers on the ground.
Don't know if that's, oh there is. It's on the list.
Feathers on the ground. Daddy, get those feathers.
It's my favorite animal.
I just saw it. That's the last one, Dad. They're all like snakes. There's a snake. I'll check.
Go find the trees.
It's on. I want to see a rabbit. Got it. Do we see any frogs?
I bet you it's a raccoon, maybe?
It looks like a raccoon
Does
trail.
that count as raccoon?
No.
Raccoon.
We saw a red fox. We're trying to see where it went.
Look at them. Daddy, should I scoop? I can't see.
You're looking in the wrong side. I can try though. Hey dude. Let me see. Get up. No, that doesn't work. So that was our family day today, guys. Thanks for coming along with us. I have to go to work now. Today is my Friday, so I just gotta bust through this. But yeah, thanks for coming along with us. I think we're gonna go back to the nature center next Saturday because we gained a new friend that works there that might give us some special access. So we're kind of excited about that. If you guys like our videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. And if you really like our videos and you want to be notified every time that we put up a new video, I think there's a little bell down over there somewhere you can click, and that'll notify you every time we put up a video. So I will catch you guys later.